Do you have symptoms of fatigue, lethargy, weight gain, poor sex drive, erectile dysfunction, cold hands and feet, thinning eyebrows, or a depressed mood? These are only a few signs that you may have a hormone dysfunction and you might need a professional hormone assessment and treatment. Perhaps you're already on a hormone treatment but are searching for a new clinic or one-stop service to support and guide you. Are you tired of your NHS doctor telling you you're fine, pushing SSRIs when you want a more natural or root cause approach? Are you searching for a supporting private HRT and TRT service for unconditional support and guidance? Look no further than Balance My Hormones, putting all the pieces together. From initial lab workups to doctor's examination and consultations to diagnosis and treatment from our preferred pharmacy partners, you get it all. This is accompanied by total support every step of the way, before, during, and after treatment. Whether you're feeling anxious or simply have no idea where to begin, we'll help you make informed decisions with confidence, bypassing questionable options to ensure outstanding service. With us, you can rest assured of bespoke care and you'll never be shortchanged on your treatments. Balance My Hormones is the first and only of its kind, a full support service with CQC-registered clinics in the UK as well as clinic offerings in Europe. You'll gain access to a concierge hormone subscription service with unyielding support. So, what are you waiting for? Contact the Balance My Hormones team today or visit our website at balancemyhormones.co.uk to chat with us live. You can also visit us on YouTube for the latest content or pick up the phone for a free medical case manager consultation. There's nothing to lose, and your only regret will be that you didn't contact us sooner.